Hi, welcome to the walkthrough of Party Time Bingo. I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, and then in a separate video, we'll walk you through how to play. So when you open the box, there will be a punch card. I've already punched out the tokens for you, and so you can see we have 8 sets of tokens, and the tokens are all organized by background color. So we have 6 of these light blue party supply tokens, and they all have spots on the back. And then we have 6 of these little bit darker blue ones, and those are all pirate themed tokens, and they have spots on the back. Our next set of tokens are for a monster party. So we have our green backgrounds and with spotted backs. And we have dark blue tokens. These are for our outer space party. And so there's 6 of those with spots on the back. And all of those tokens would go into the token bag that has spots on it. So it corresponds to the back of the tokens, and goes in the bag for very easy storage. So that's our one set. Our second set of tokens has plaid on the back. So we've got our 6 light pink tokens, all with plaid on the back. Then we've got 6 of these yellow. These are all the guests for the party. So we have all the 6 yellow animal guest tokens, also plaid on the back. 6 purple tokens with plaid on the back, each with a different animal. And 6 of this kind of powder blue, and all with a different animal for a different guest coming to the party, and plaid on the back. So those are going to go into the plaid icon bag. So that one goes there. So there's our 2 storage bags that go with 24 tokens each. And then we have our bingo boards, and the bingo boards are all double-sided. So on the one side, we have the spotted ones, and on the other side, we have the plaid ones. And I'll walk you through the parties. They all come with this party scene. So you can see that the bingo board corresponds by color to the party scene. So here is our spring scene. And if we were playing this board, we would be collecting the light blue items that match. So we would collect the unicorn decoration or the cupcakes and try to fill our bingo board. On the flip side of that, you could play the invitation side. Again, it corresponds by color. And for this one, we'd be looking for the animals that have pink on the back. So for example, if we've got this dinosaur, he doesn't fit here because he's not pink on the back. But if we have the fish, then the fish is a guest for this party. And you could play this bingo board with either side of the party scene side. So either you would match it by color or flip it over and match it by finding the corresponding animal in the scene. And I'll just show you the other 4 scenes. So this was our spring unicorn scene. Our next party happens in the summer. You can see it's happening in the same park. And that is our summer pirate theme party. And it's similarly got its own invitation side. So that would be the yellow background. So you know all of the animals in the plaid bag that have the yellow party, the yellow side will fit this party. And next we head into colder weather. We head to the fall. Our leaves are changing in the park. And here we've got a green side for our supplies, for our party supplies, or you can flip it over to the invitation side, and we've got a purple side that corresponds. And again, you can always mix and match this way. And finally, we've got our winter party, and just like the others, it is reversible, and you are invited. I hope you'll come and play.